Okay, this video I'm going to show you a super simple technique that you can use to start making affiliate commissions right now. This technique is for beginners. It's for people who don't have a list. It's people who don't have, a huge website or a huge social media following. This is just something to help get you started because so many people want to get started with affiliate marketing and they don't know where to start because there's so much information out there. So what you have to do is just focus in on one thing, take action, get going, and then things start to open up after that. There really isn't some master plan out there. You just got to get started and you learn by doing. In order to learn by doing, you got to actually do at least one thing, even if it's the wrong thing, okay, a lot of times. But I don't think this is the wrong thing because I've made money with this technique. I've actually made a lot of money with this technique. And I know other people who have made it, and it's really not that techy, okay? So let's get into it. Before I do, I'd like to ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you would be so kind. Now, what you do, it's going to be a short video. You come here to this site. It's my affiliate program, classifiedsubmissions.com. It is free to sign up. Okay, we pay you 50% recurring commission on our advertising services where we post ads for businesses. It's very cost effective for them and it works for them. So what you do is you come down here, you click join for free. So you join for free and you click here and I'm going to log out here. Okay, so here's the form. Come out here and you just fill it out. It's that simple. And you choose a username, right? And you're good to go. And you're going to get an affiliate link. So here I'm logged in. And so I'm going to come here to affiliate info, banners and links. You're not even going to worry about all these banners out here. You're just going to get your affiliate link. And you go here and you click copy. It'll copy it, right? Then you come to Notepad. And to open Notepad, you come down here, click Notepad. Again, this is for beginners, folks. And you open up Notepad. Now I've already done it down here, right? And you copy and paste your affiliate link here. And this is your username. This is just the test one, right? Now, what you're going to do now is probably a good thing to do is go to a URL shortening service like TinyURL or Bitly, one of those. I'm going to come here, copy and paste the link, and I can enter an alias. I'll put class add. Okay, let's see if this works. All right, shorten the URL. Someone has this one. So I'll put 2025. Let's see if that works. Okay, that worked. Now I've got this short URL. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to come over here. So it's just copy and paste, folks. And now I've got a short version of this. And so if I send this to anybody, it's going to redirect to the classifiedsubmissions.com, but set a cookie for your URL, for your username. And that cookie lasts for an entire year. So next thing I want you to do is go to your phone. And I want you to text everyone in your phone. Now, you might not want to do it all in one time, but you can do it maybe 10 a day. I know an older guy, and I did a video on this, and he does 80 people a day. He does by email, and he also does the text. And he doesn't know anything about a lot of super techie stuff. That's about as far as he goes. And he does 80 people a day. Now, that's a lot, but you could do that. But just 10 people a day. The thing with affiliate marketing, we want to do it all and do it all right now. Okay, nothing works that way. Come up with a consistent plan. Find one strategy and just stick with it consistently. And think about where you're going to be in a month from now. I know it's very hard because we want that instant endorphin hit, right? You want everything, but the really way to do any type of marketing is get a plan and do it consistently. Just find one technique and just start going consistently. There's no one right, perfect way. The key is to take action. We're doing something you can simply do and take action. So you go here and you copy and paste this and you to your phone and send out to 10 people a day. You can just put this on a sticky note. You can just have this on your computer and just pop this out and copy and paste it and send it out on your phone by SMS to the people you know. Now, you can also go to your Gmail account and email people one by one, not a mass email, one by one with the same message because those are your contacts. Now, that is the system. Okay, that's it. I'm not going to go into anything else. Why? Because I want you to take action. I want you to get started. The whole thing is just to do something. Even if it doesn't work, you will create momentum and you'll start learning as soon as you go. Maybe you'll find that this layout letter doesn't really work that great for you. You got to tweak it for your contacts, Then go ahead and do that. But the most important thing is to take action. So what I'm going to ask you to do is go in the description below, join the affiliate program, sign up, and send out to 10 people today. I'm not even going to ask you to watch another video to distract you even further. Okay? Take action and go do it right now. All right? And let me know in the comments that you've done so. Take